Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Miss Iby's class. Okay, today we are having agricultural science, and it's a beautiful topic preservation of farm produce. Yes, so welcome to class today. So, we have three objectives we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at meaning of farm produce, preservation, importance of preserving farm produce, methods of farm produce preservation. So let's quickly start. Meaning of farm produce preservation. So according to my material, farm produce are materials that can be obtained from the farm. Farm produce are anything we cultivate from the farm, such as cassava tubers, eggs, you can name them, yam, vegetables, and so on and so forth. These products are gotten from the farm because we plant them and after a while they grow and we cultivate them. Okay, so what's the meaning of farm produce preservation? Preservation of farm produce is simply storing up farm produce in strategic ways until they are needed for use. How do we store up farm produce in strategic ways until they are needed? That's what we want to see today. So, before we go to the importance of preserving farm produce, let's quickly go down and look at the methods of preserving farm produce. We have sun drying, we have smoking, we have salting, we have frying, we have refrigerating, canning, bottling, bagging, and so on and so forth. So, looking at the picture gallery, you can see here canning. Canning, this is canning, as simple as it is. It's just putting farm produce in cans to preserve them. This is bagging, putting farm produce in bags to preserve them. Okay, so, okay, let's go on. We have bottling. Yes, as you can see, putting farm produce in bottles to preserve them, like oil, water, juice, and so on. This is crating, putting farm produce in crates. As you can see, there are peppers, we have tomatoes, we have vegetables too around here that can be created. Okay, um, this is frying. This is frying. This is salting, simply means adding salt to farm produce just in a way to preserve them. It keeps them better. Then here we have refrigerating. We have here smoking. Farm produce can be sun too. Farm produce can be sun from like crayfish. We have plantain. Yes, we can sun plantain peels. We can sun them, to preserve them before we use them for other farm for other food products. So now, what are the importance of farm produce? What are the importance of farm produce? They retain freshness. They make the food last longer over a period of time. They prevent germs and diseases from harboring in them. They prevent them from insects and rodents. They prevent bad smells. Okay, they help to make them more physically presentable. Sometimes preserving farm produce add value to such farm produce because there are some farm produce that we basically cannot eat like that, like cassava, getting cassava from the farm and you start eating them. No. So, how do we process and preserve them for better usage? Okay, there are other ways we can do that. So, these are how farm produce can be preserved after gotten from the farm. Sometimes, as I said, farm produce, when preserved, they add more value to the products. Okay, so what are examples of things that can be sun dried? Okay. Uh, I've said an example. I've talked about plantain and so on. Some can be refrigerated, like fish and so on and so forth. Okay, I'll be stopping here today. Thank you for being with me. We'll see some other time soon. Thank you for having my class. God bless you. See you soon. Love you. Thank you.